200, kid. All right, we coming. Carlos, come on. We need to get this grocery money.
Hood on my shit.
He said, damn, it did.
God, dude.
Look at him.
Nah, you stalled up. Back to where before like they gonna do it again.
Oh yeah, that's what it is.
Probably because of that bank card. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Keys, the old boy talking about you got a... Old boy talking about you... Oh, they finna do it again.
How much? 200 again.
Nah, I'm making more than that.
Where you at, man? Where you going? You fuck out of town.
They know me, man.
Yeah.
They'll see me real soon.
Yeah.
Purple colors, gold wheels.
Yeah. They gonna know.
Rock was driving that Whip Fest.
Yeah.
That was my shit.
Yeah.
We can fuck up the church money. Come on. Think y'all scaring those old niggas. Oh, we trying to scare somebody because
Look at our artist, man. What year the car is, man? Give us a little information one time. Ask him. Go on, let us give a little information. What year is that?
69 Camaro.
69 Camaro. LS swap.
LS swap.
Okay. How long you been having it? How long?
Ever since I was 16 years old.
Ah, damn, you look way.
I'm 57 now.
Ooh, you 81? Golly, y'all, it's finna go down.
Run just like that.
He done had this thing 40 something, man. God damn. Did you already feel like, man, this is a special car like back then?
Well, I didn't, but he did.
Oh, okay.
He wanted to sell his car when I was in it.
Oh, okay. You were telling, man, hell no, this gonna be a collector.
You know what I did?
What you do?
I bought it from him.
For real?
And when he got, boy, he really realized what the car was.
He got it back.
I give it to him. I give back to him.
Man, cause he ain't know no back.
No,
he ain't know no better.
Yeah, he loved it.
What year was that? He figured it back out. When he woke up. What year you woke up, man?
Yeah, about
2012.
Yeah, about 2000. But the car was there, he knew it wasn't going nowhere.
Yeah.
Hey, we gotta start the class. We gotta go to bed.
Okay, here comes Keezy, y'all. Where y'all at? Pick your winner.
We gotta go to church. After church, we'll see y'all.
After church.
After church, we'll see y'all.
Hey, we got that weekend. Hey, we got that weekend.
Old school racing long time.
Yeah.
Kids know better than getting up that stage over there.
Yeah, they burn niggas down and shit.
I was trying, Hey, the thinking board is closed. The thinking board is closed.
We don't get our church money.
We got all the church money. You gonna put this back in that dish.
Hey, back. Let the building fund.
Yeah, we gotta put this building fund back up for that notice.
Ah, that it came up, y'all. The old schools for the win, y'all. Old school for the win.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.